God, this chicken tastes good. Mm. The chicken, ooh, whoa. What was that? What was that a while ago? You guys saw that? Thank God. Me know how to cook. My kids will run away from here. Then when I run, we leave the stove. All right, I'm doing the grilled chicken. Yep. Yep. Nino, Lo, I'm just in the bushes outside watching. I enjoyed your live. I got up late, but you know what I say? Me, I talk on it like I was on the live because I wanted to sleep low. That's what I really wanted, for real. And Gabby did allow me to sleep. So I'm like, I'm grateful. I feel better now. So I did get the stuff right here. But then I remember I'm on the elk journey, so I didn't fry it. So I end up putting it on the fajita pot. So hey. Yep. Who's that? Frost. Hi, how are you, Frost? Good afternoon, good evening. How are you? I made quinoa and I made some chicken, fajita style. I'm making some grilled shrimp. And we're gonna eat it with Caesar salad. I'm gonna show you guys in a second what it's gonna be like. But it's delicious. Yeah, I feel much better. Feel much better. Like this morning, I don't know what was going on with me. When my body was talking to me, luckily I listened. And you know what's so sweet about Gabby? How about the phone rang and Gabby took the phones away? And I think that was so sweet. She was watching TV in my room. And she got out and she went outside and sit in the loft and watched TV by herself. So I thought that was just super understanding. See these shrimp? I soaked them in some oyster sauce. And I'm telling you guys, they're delicious. Look at them. Yummy. Yum. I still have a few more. But they're all gonna be delicious. I really enjoy the live with bro. Frost says, I love it. Thank you, Frost. Great, sounds good. Lo says, I'm glad you feel better. And Frost says, it looks so good. Yeah, it looks good and it's gonna taste good too, Frost. Yeah, the oyster sauce, soaking shrimp in the oyster sauce. Oh my God, I'm telling you. It's the best feeling it's the best taste in the world. And Sharon gave me that recipe. One of my subscribers, and I'm telling you, I love it ever since. All right, I'm gonna take this out now. So this is finished. Look at the lines, guys. Oh my goodness. Woo! I'm feeling excited. I'm telling you, it is a good feeling. It feels so good.